Your Galaxy Z Fold 6 deserves the ultimate protection because one wrong move can cost you big. Today, we're testing out this $32 VEGO Armor Case designed to keep your foldable safe from drops, scratches, and everyday chaos. Let's check it out. Hey Tech Fam, BTM here, and welcome back to the channel where I explore the best accessories for your favorite gadgets. Now today I'm looking at the VEGO Armor Case made specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This isn't just any case, it's packed with features like full body protection, hinge, shielding, and sliding camera covers, all for an amazing price of only $32. Stick around and we'll see if this case is the right fit for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, first off, the VEGO Armor Case is designed exclusively for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. That means that it won't fit older models like the Fold 3, 4, or 5. So double check your phone before grabbing this one. Now, the material is basically the same as they always are. Thermoplastic polyurethane, which feels lightweight but offers excellent durability. The cutouts ensure easy access to the charging ports, buttons, and speakers without compromising protection. Plus, the outer screen edges have raised lips to keep the external display safe from accidental drops or scratches. And let's not forget about the striking green color here. Now it comes in 5 different colors and you should see that on the screen somewhere. However, it is sleek, modern, and I think this one is sure to turn heads. Now it's a color that I particularly like, so hey, don't judge. All right, as far as protection is concerned, the name of the game with VEGO Armor Case is that it's built for full body coverage, meaning that your phone is safeguarded all around, both the screen and the camera module. So it gives you peace of mind when placing your phone down on rough surfaces. Now, what's really impressed me is the added grip along the edges. Now, it makes this phone feel just a little bit more secure to me in your hand. You combine that with the hinge and the anti-skid design and the built-in shockproof airbags on the inside there, and you got a case that's ready for bumps and scrapes of everyday life situations. The remarkable S Pen slot is a clever addition. Now, it's perfect for those who love their Galaxy S Pen. Now, this is not one. I don't have one yet, but one is coming. But if you like that functionality, but don't always want to carry it around, well, the holder securely attached to the case, and it keeps the pen within easy reach. It's also detachable, giving you the flexibility to go pen-free if you prefer a slimmer profile. Quick note, the S Pen, of course, is not included with the case, so you'll need to grab one separately if you don't already have it. Now, one of my favorite features is the 360 degrees rotating kickstand. Now, I think that is a very nice touch. It really helps if you're attending virtual meetings or if you're simply scrolling through social media. This kickstand adjusts to your preferred viewing angle. It's magnetized as well, giving you some added features if you want to stick it to something. And of course, you can always use it as a holder. In addition to that 360 degrees of angle that you can get. Now, foldable phones like the Z Fold 6 comes with unique challenges. The VEGO tackles them head on. The hinge protection is a real standout feature with its twirl anti-skid design and shock-absorbing airbags to prevent damage from accidental drops. Now, then there's also the sliding camera cover. Check this bad boy out. Your camera is completely protected and completely covered. Not only will this give you privacy, but more importantly, it will also protect your camera. Now, I can't emphasize enough how much I appreciate this simple yet effective addition. Now, at $32, the VEGO Armor Case offers fantastic value for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Between the full body protection, the removable S Pen slot, 360 degrees rotating kickstand, hinge shielding, and camera lens cover, this case delivers premium features without breaking the bank. Now, I love to hear what you think. Do these features check all the boxes for you? Or is there something else that you would like? So drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know so we can start a conversation and we can go. Thanks for watching. Now, if you're ready to upgrade your phone protection, check out the link to this case in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech accessories. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to like that one up there, or maybe over there. I know it's not down there, but it's somewhere. See you next time.